Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of registering for the NAATI CCL exam step by step. Step 1. Visit the NAATI website. First, open your browser and go to NAATI portal. Once the website opens, click on the register button. Fill in your basic details, email ID, then confirm your email ID and title. Give a name, family name, middle name and date of birth. Click on the register button. Step 3. Verify your email ID. Once you register successfully, you will receive a confirmation email from NAATI. Open your email inbox and verify your account using the password provided in the email. And using that, create a new password yourself. Step 4. Log into your NAATI account. After verification, go back to the NAATI portal and log in using your registered email ID and password. Step 5. Submit an application. Once you logged in, click on Submit an application. Then select CCL test. Now fill in all the required details shown in the screen. Step 6. Fill address details. For address verification, if you are in Australia, select Validate with Google. If you are outside Australia, select Overseas address and manually enter your address details. Once completed, click Next. Now, for this question, why are you taking this test? You have to select option 3 and click Next. Now, step 7. Select your language. Now choose the language pair for your NAATI CCL exam. For example, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Punjabi, Malayalam, Gujarati, etc. Select your preferred language and click Next. Step 8. Select test location. Choose the test location as online. Once we click on Next, you can also see the possible test dates which are available. Then proceed to next step. Step 9. Upload required documents. Now upload the necessary documents. Passport size photo, passport ID as ID proof. Make sure the documents are clear and properly visible. After uploading, click on Finish. And step 10. Wait for the verification. Once your application is submitted successfully, you will receive a confirmation email from NAATI. NAATI usually takes around 2 to 5 working days to verify your profile. After verification is completed, you will be able to book your NAATI CCL test date. After 2 days, you will receive an email confirmation from the NAATI CCL for the application approval. And you can check the status on dashboard also. Once it is approved, select Manage my test from the dashboard. All available NAATI CCL test dates will be displayed. Select the test date and time slot you want to take the exam on. Here, review your exam details carefully. Test date, time slot, and you can click on Next. The NAATI CCL test fee is 814 Australian dollars and payment can be made using PayPal, credit card. Complete the payment process successfully. Once the payment is completed and the test date is selected, your exam booking will be confirmed. You will receive an email confirmation from NAATI with exam date, exam time, test instructions, confirmation details, and save the confirmation email for the future references and exam day instructions. Thank you.